A leaf of noise. I announced my arrival with a leaf of noise. It was dark, and the cars were waiting at the traffic light, plotting their engines to destroy the silence of the night. A cold winter touch was settling the green brick walls against my little shoes clashing on pavement in a vertical movement of my camera to follow the narrow gutters forgotten by the humans in the neighborhood. There was nothing better to consider than the front. Discharging the trunk of a limousine, the suitor showed a bunch of flowers to the street, offers to the old-fashioned house to enter to. He looked around and drank his last drop of coffee. I announced my arrival with a leaf of noise. Through lens, the wind recital drew two silhouettes driven by the car headlights in spins to follow the narrow gutters forgotten by the humans in the neighborhood.